All right. So this one is titled "A Hikikomori's Post-Suicide Ode to Her Microwave." And for those of you that don't know, a hikikomori is like a Japanese word for like a shut-in, like antisocial shut-in that never leaves their house. 6, 7, 8, and 9, all lonely after I left. Tender buttons elsewise couch lost comfort, unsunlit spot, indivisible, justice for none but 1, 0, 2, 3, and 4, but mostly factorable. Fellow hermit primes, thumbprintless squares, tones of robotic yelps unheard in the virgin gallows, taste lost heartbeat bloat, enwrapped in loudest light up there, home, shown out, dizzying portraits, spun, bodies 3 R's tagged, wheezing brags, flesh cooked and cooling, tanned eyelids drooling, fresh unopened landscape, prey in silence, spinning mesmerizing art that you have so well